Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for hitting that play button. I hope you guys are having a great day out there. Happy belated Thanksgiving. What was I talking about in my last video about me having some work done at Corvette World on my CA Corvette? I'm going to tell you what Corvette World put on my Corvette C8. And also I want to give a shout out to Keith in the shop area for taking his time taking care of my Corvette. He did a fantastic job. So let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you guys what new parts I got installed on my Corvette. All right, guys, first of all, here she is. Let's do a quick walk around so you guys can see. Here she is. What did I get done? First off, the thing that I got done on my Corvette was I did wheel spacers, guys. I had them put wheel spacers on my wheels. Why did I do that? Because it gives it more of a better stance. If you look at it where the fender stops and the wheel begins, on the stock version, my wheel was tucked in more under the fender. Let's take a look at the rear as well. Look at this. So I did the wheel spacers on all four corners. And now the wheel and tire sit out just perfectly even with the fenders. I freaking love it. They did a fantastic job. Up next, I know, guys, we didn't talk about the high wing. I got this high wing from ACS Composites. And as some of you guys already know, this is ACS Composite, my rock guards as well, my Z06 side skirt from ACS Composite, and the front splitter, guys, ACS Composites. So Corvette World installed all those parts for me. Again, they did a fantastic job. But this is the thing that they did for me, guys. This is the most recent upgrade to my CA Corvette. Check this out. Oh, yes, guys. Oh, yes. You know it. This is what I wanted to show you guys. They put the AWE Track Edition exhaust on my Corvette. Man, and it sounds freaking amazing. I didn't want to go with the touring version because I wanted the most sound out of my C8. So I went with the track version, and I couldn't be more happier with this exhaust setup. Yes, you do get a little bit of a drone. To me, it's not bad at all, the drone. But for some people, you may not like it. It just depends on what you like. To each his own, right? But I freaking love it. It is crazy loud. And the biggest thing about the AWE exhaust is I don't get any engine codes, guys. No engine codes. It is amazing. So real quick, we'll talk more about the exhaust. The other thing that I had Keith over at Corvette World install for me, he installed the Bluedatac air filter on my car as well when he was doing the exhaust. So let's do, it's going to be a warm start, but guys, it's going to be crazy, crazy loud. We'll do it with the key. I'll give you some revs as well. But check this out, guys. Check out this warm start. Here we go. Freaking crazy, guys. Amazing. Crazy loud. And like I said, that was a warm start. Man, I love it. It sounds crazy. Also, I like that AWE gives you this little screen here. And as you can see, it says AWE right there. I like that heat shield. I freaking love it. They say they give you that heat shield so that if the car heats up on the track or whatever like that, it won't mess up your rear diffuser at all. So I love it. And I love that it says AWE on it. Man, amazing. So I'm gonna set up my tripod real quick. Give you guys a few revs. But I'm telling you guys, it sounds amazing. All right, hold on. Let me give you guys these revs real quick. Wow, what do you guys think? I'm telling you, it sounds ridiculous. And that was around 4,000 RPMs. And then I went all the way to 6,000 RPMs. It sounds incredible. You see all the videos on YouTube about the different exhausts for the C8 Corvette. And I'm telling you right now, you cannot go wrong with the AWE exhaust, especially guys, if you don't want to have any engine codes. I mean, it sounds amazing. I mean, it gives you that visceral experience, guys. OMG. I mean, it is insane. Freaking insane. I'm telling you guys. Look at me. Look at me. I'm telling you, if you want that exhaust sound, C8 owners, you know what I'm talking about. That exhaust sound that you can hear inside the vehicle as well as outside the vehicle, you got to get the AWE exhaust. I'm telling you, it's freaking insane. Now, when I drive it, it sounds amazing. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. That's it. The cat's out of the bag. You guys know I did the AWE exhaust. I had them put the Bluedatac filter on my car as well, and I also had them do the wheel spacers for me. I just wanted to do this quick video for you guys. I kept getting a lot of comments. Gary, you did this. Gary, you did that. So, and I feel kind of bad not being able to tell everyone exactly what I did. I had a couple people guess correctly. So you don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to wonder anymore. That's what I had done at Corvette World. With that being said, guys, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys in the next one. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but happy belated Thanksgiving, guys. Thanks you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.